Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be discussing to you guys about the new seasonal pass on Plants vs. Brainrots. So as you can see, there's this new sort of icon here. So here is the pass. There's level 1 up till level 50. Okay, no, 35. And basically, here are the quests you need to do to earn XPs. Open card packs. Okay, I think it's going to be different for everybody, but this is the one for me. Use gear 140 times and use a gear item 195 times, and then you need to be able to open a card pack 4 times. So I'll do that first so I can show you guys. So card pack, that's 2. Okay, just gonna take a while. I'm spamming my mouse right now. Okay. And then I'll do it again. 3. Ooh, what did I get? Okay, maybe nothing. Ooh, shiny. Okay, and one more. Let's do it again. And as you can see, there's this notification. That means you've completed the task. Okay. Then if you go to the seasonal pass again, as you can see, I've earned 8 XPs. I don't think it's going to be a lot because of how much we can get from doing those tasks. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You'll get some very cool new seeds. Okay, let's actually see. And some Brainrots as well. This is a premium one, sorry, that you have to purchase, but this one is free that you can get for free. You can also use the season tokens to purchase stuff from the shops here. There's the premium water bucket, the witch potion, season 1 crate, expansion card pack, and season 1 egg. It is very limited, and as you can see, it costs a lot, so you will need a lot of the season tokens. I might get the premium pass. I don't know yet, but let's see. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.